Dear student, today we will discuss about lesson 3 trigonometric function lecture number 7. Today's topic is trigonometric ratio value table angles in radian measure form. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो वैल्यू टेबल जिसमें एंगल्स जो है वो रेडियन मेजर में वैल्यू टेबल फॉर एंगल 0 pi/6 pi/4 pi/3 pi/2 pi 3/2 pi and 2 pi. Trigonometric ratio sin theta cos theta tan theta. Sin 0 radian value is 0. Sin pi/6 radian value is 1/2. Sin pi/4 radian is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin pi/3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin pi/2 is 1. Sin pi is 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Sin 2 pi is equal to 0. And cos 0 is 1. Cos pi/6 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi/4 1 by root 2. Cos pi/3 1 by 2. Cos pi/2 0. अगर हम pi/6 को रेडियन से डिग्री के फॉर्म पे लिखना चाहें तो कुछ इस तरह से होंगे pi/6 रेडियन इक्वल टू pi/6 इंटू 180 डिग्री बाई पाई. जितने भी रेडियन के एंगल्स है उनको डिग्री में चेंज करने के लिए सिर्फ 180 डिग्री बाई पाई से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो जैसे pi/6 रेडियन इज pi/6 इंटू 180 डिग्री बाई पाई. Pi to pi cancel and we get 30 degree. Means pi/6 radian is equal to 30 degree. So now continue. Cos pi is equal to minus 1. Cos 3/2 pi is 0. Cos 2 pi is equal to 1. Now value for tan. Tan 0 is 0. Tan pi/6 1 by root 3. Tan pi/4 is 1. Tan 3 pi/3 root 3 by 2. Tan pi/2 is not defined. Tan pi is 0. Tan 3 pi by 2 not defined. Tan 2 pi is 0. And the values of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta are reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta respectively. That is, cosec theta is find out 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta find out 1 upon cos theta and cot theta is find out 1 upon tan theta. That means if we find cosec pi/4, this value is root 2. We find cosec 3 pi by 2, this is minus 1. Now we solve some problem. Question number 1. Find value of sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Now sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. And tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Sin square pi by 6 whole square. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 again whole square minus tan pi by 4 whole square. So 1 square. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square again 1 by 4 minus 1. After solve we get minus 1 by 2. Question number 2. Tan pi by 6 equal to 1 by root 3. So cot pi by 6 equal to 1 by tan pi by 6. This equal to root 3. Sin 1 by 2 pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So cosec pi by 6 equal to 1 by sin pi by 6. So it is 2. Now cot square pi by 6 plus cosec pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Cot pi by 3 is root 3. So we putting root 3 whole square plus cosec pi by 6 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. So after solve we get 6. Next is negative angle, that is minus tan minus theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot of theta. Cosec minus theta this equal to minus cosec theta. Sin minus theta this equal to minus sin theta. Negative angle, it indirectly indicated fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant only cos theta and sec theta positive. Other four trigonometries are negative, so there is directly affected. ये माइनस थीटा जो है वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट को इनडायरेक्टली इंडिकेट करते हैं, जिसके कारण cos थीटा और sec थीटा पॉजिटिव होंगे क्योंकि फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में वो पॉजिटिव होते हैं. बट बाकी के जो चार ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, ये जो बाकी के चार ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है tan, cot, cosec, sin, इन पे नेगेटिव होगा क्योंकि वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट पे नेगेटिव होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, sin minus 60 degree this equal to minus sin 60 degree this equal to minus root 3 by 2. Next is cos of minus 60 degree, this equal to positive cos of cos 60, this equal to 1 by 2.